Christopher Rufo, Manhattan Institute, said if we can group everything racial under one umbrella, then we can attack it. CRT in 2022, they attacked woke in 2023, they attacked DEI in 2024. So the whole focus is, how can we now slow this down and begin to hold on to power as much as we can? You got a Supreme Court case that's going to be decided very soon called Louisiana versus Cali. Now here's what's crazy. They beat them in the courts, took it to the Supreme Court, went back to Supreme Court, still won. Then Louisiana said, well, let's come up with another way. So let's actually sue the black districts, saying that this discriminates against these two whites who are living in the district. Now, they never established how they were hurt and harmed by having a second black district when Louisiana is 1/3 black. Now, here's what's crazy. Based upon the questions, they are likely going to vote in their favor. You are going to see 1/3 of the Congressional Black Caucus disappear. You are going to see state reps, state senators, county commissioners, city council members, school board members all across the South wiped out because of this one Supreme Court decision. If you literally look at what's happening right now with the Supreme Court today, you can compare it to the Supreme Court in the late 1800s. If you look at the actions in Congress, you can compare it then to what is happening now. And so if you now completely undermine the entire civil rights and economic rights infrastructure, then you then are defunding black America. And that is what is happening before our very eyes. And so in 2026, this cannot be the usual MLK program. This can't be the usual MLK weekend. This can't be the usual time, because what we are facing right now are evil forces who are attacking every single system that exists. And let me also be perfectly clear when they're attacking what's happening with black folks. When you hear them talk about affirmative action, I often have to remind them that there's no group in America who's benefited more than affirmative action than white women. And let me be real clear. I've read Project 2025, and I've said to many of my white sisters, you know they won't want you to stay at home, birth babies, not work, and get in the kitchen. I said, so trust me, when they're coming after us, they're coming after you too. We have to understand that this is not a drill.